On the previous video, we did the trial balance and then the income statement, and now I'm going to do the statement of owner's equity. The income statement has to be done previous to the statement of owner's equity because we need to know the net income or the net loss for the fiscal period. So we know that we have a net loss of $581. So now I'm going to do this one. And just to kind of point this out here, and I'll just go ahead and white these out for a moment so we're not looking at them. Okay. Okay, get us back here so nothing shows. Okay, on the statement of owner's equity, the first thing we're going to do is write down the beginning capital for this activity. So this is going to be K. Rossi Capital. And it's a brand new business, so they started off with 0. Now the investments during this month of July, we would look at the capital account and see how much it increased, and it increased $18,000. Actually, it happened on the 1st of July, so anything that they invest during July would be included in the investments. We're going to subtract the net loss. In an earlier one, we added the net income, but this net loss is going to decrease our capital. If we do a subtotal here, if we subtract these two, then we're going to get $17,419. So there was an investment, but there was a net loss, so it took us down in value. Also, withdrawals are decreased to capital. The owner took out $700 in drawing. So we're going to also have to subtract. So less is like saying I'm going to subtract this. So we started off at 0. If we subtract the drawing from the subtotal here, we're going to get this much of an increase overall for the month of July. So even though we invested $18,000, we had a net loss of $581, and then we also had a drawing of $700. If we take this increase in capital and add it to the beginning, then we are going to have the ending capital, and the ending capital will be where you take this amount here, the beginning, and add it to the increase in capital. Now I'm going to put yellow here to let you know that under this yellow number there should be a single line because we're subtracting 581 from 18,000. Also, we're going to put yellow here to indicate there should be a single line under 7,000 because we're subtracting that from the subtotal. And then here I'm going to put green, indicating that there should be a single line above this and a double line underneath. And that concludes the statement of owner's equity.